Wow!
We came here through the ATV ride. The ATV ride was really fun.
Definitely one of the most thrilling and scenic rides.
So ngayon po, nandito po tayo sa paanan mismo ng Mayon, and dating may mga barangay sa area na to na natabunan because for the eruption ng Mayon.
Oh no!
Sinamahan ko yung mga ating other turista para at least makita nila yung ganda ng Mayon. Itong mga batong nakikita natin na to, dati po talaga marami pong nakatira sa area na to. So pinaligas na po sila dahil nga po once nagkaroon ng eruption, affected po itong area na to. Kasi po nagkakaroon po ng heavy rain after the eruption.
My friends want to visit Mayon, Daragang Magayon. I'm a native of Albay, but this is my first time to be here in this spot of Mayon. We came here through the ATV ride, and this is my first time to ride an ATV.
So bali po ngayon medyo enjoy po ang ating adventure kasi nakasama natin si Sir Dexter Rubio na vlogger from Isabela, si Ma'am Nice Pablo na naka-mask, and yung isa po niyang kasama na naka-helmet din na kulay red, si adventurer.
Filming the Mayon documentary with my friends here while riding an ATV is really awesome. Definitely one of the most thrilling and scenic rides.
So kakaiba po talaga yung gusto nila mga activity na mas ma-enjoy nila yung pagpunta rito.
The ATV ride was really fun. We passed rivers, rocks, terrains, and mini forest.
Wow!
Then, after the ATV ride, we went a little trekking, a matter of 3 to 5 minutes, I think. Then, this is the spot where we stopped. And there's the helipad part of Mayon, where you can do some jump shots to take a better look and a better style for your pictures, photo ops.
Punta sila dito na at least nakita nila ang Mayon namin na maganda. Sinulit talaga nila. Kasi once in a lifetime po lumalabas ang Mayon. Minsan, 1 week, wala siya. 1 week lang nandito siya. So, sila siguro yung pinakaswerte na vlogger na almost kitang-kita nila yung Mayon for the whole day until now.
Wow!
Bali po ngayon, pag pumapanik po kami dito sa Mayon, minsan ang mga guests, hindi pa nila masyado alam na ano. So kami naman pong mga guide, in-explain namin sa guests para yung safety nila. And then hindi lang naman pagpanik ang pinupunta namin dito, kundi para makapag-tree planting din po, para at least po may babalikan kami once na nagtagal-tagal man po ang panahon. Alam po namin ito palang puno na to, ako pala ang nagdito na pala ang itsura niya ngayon.
As Kuya King mentioned, every time they went up here in Mayon, somehow they do the tree planting activities.
Wow!
While coming here, this friend of mine, Geek Adventurer, talked me into wearing this mask. At first, I don't know why I have to wear this mask because it's so... it's not easy. My vision gets blurred by wearing this, but I gave in to his request. He wants me to wear this because he also have a red mask. So, it's like we both have the same character mask for this certain activity. It's really fun. And I'm happy to be with my friends, Geek Adventurer, Dexter, and Kate. So, I'm glad that I came up here with you guys.
Wow!